Hey guys, welcome back to TechTube, and in this video I'm going to show you how to access FAQs in Crunchyroll. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. FAQs are frequently asked questions about any related field, and in this video we are going to talk about frequently asked questions about Crunchyroll. In order to access those, just simply open your Crunchyroll application, and after opening the Crunchyroll application, just simply click into this account section at the bottom right corner, and from there you will see a lot of options. Among them, you just simply have to choose need help into the support section. After scrolling down to all the way bottom, just simply click into that option and it will lead you to help.crunchyroll.com website. And after going into here, you can find so many articles related to frequently asked questions in here. And you can also get frequently asked questions by searching facts into here. Just simply type FAQ as and you will get different related topics which were frequently asked into Crunchyroll. By following these very easy steps, you can easily access frequently asked questions and their answers in Crunchyroll. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.